Well, definitely, I've definitely seen a lot of supply chain challenges. I've seen them in engines and components and in aircraft themselves. But let me ask you a couple of maybe a little more detailed, specified questions.
Sure.
Is that I've seen parts that have gone basically into a supply chain and they disappear, and you can't find them, you can't track them, you can't follow them. What do you do? Well, let me rephrase that first. I don't want to know what you do yet. I want to know what should people be doing in the industry to better manage that part process, or to have availability of parts, or what can people be doing in the industry to be able to optimize that?
Well, I mean, sourcing is one aspect of it, but making sure that those sources are set to go in terms of understanding the demand and what that forecast is going to look like. Everybody's having these supply chain issues, and so as manufacturers, as suppliers, for us to know what the demand and what the future forecast is for airlines, I think that's a key part of it.
Yeah.
And then making sure you find like the right partner, someone that is going to be able to be that partnership, that partner with you, and be able to give you everything that you need in terms of your service levels.
Those things are really very very important. I know that we have difficulty finding the parts we need at the quantities or levels that we need, at the pricing that we need, and the timing of when we need that. I mean, I see those things happening really all the time.
Right.
And I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone have a part and they sell it at one price and they sell one at a different price because they don't have maybe the management that's necessary, or the parts are simply not available. And so clearly there's a lot of demands in the industry that affect the ability to be able to deliver aircraft and to be able to deliver engines and things when people need it. Okay?
Right.